Alright, what's the deal, YouTubers? That's what show, and we back with another video, man. Today, I'm gonna give y'all the last video for 7 days straight, no cap. We've been mad consistent, so we about to keep this shit up for real. Soon, we about to get this bumper fixed and this fender. About to get all this replaced, no cap. We low-key need to get some new tires too. My tires are bald as fuck. Like, all 4 tires are just bald. Like, I can't even really do what I want, because like, the tires, like, I literally be sliding, like, even without the traction off, I'll be sliding like crazy, so, shit. But no, man. We about to hop into this last video. No cap, we about to get this POV going. So let's get straight into it. Start this bitch up real quick. Alright, about to turn off the traction, take it out of eco mode. Oh shit, I forgot one thing, bro. No cap. Plug that bullshit, bro. That should be irritating as fuck. About to put this bitch in track mode. Oh shit. What am I doing, bro? I'm tripping. Track. Then you gotta hold the button. I'm tripping like crazy. Alright, boom, it's hot as hell. I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to roll down the windows. It's like every video, I keep rolling out the window because I be thinking it's too much wind noise, but when I watch it back, it don't even be that much wind noise. So I'm gonna keep the windows down. Like, even if it sound loud, it ain't loud. That's what I gotta like realize. No cap. Alright, let's get started. And we gonna throw it in manual mode too. Oh shit. Bro, every time I hit the gas like that, in like track or sport, it feel like my whole like, the fucking engine bay, like the whole engine is about to like literally come out the car, like, cause it like, no homo, it just jerks so hard, like damn. Like watch this, like, oh shit. See, it feel like, I don't know what it feel like. It feel like my body finna just like fly out the fucking car. It don't even make no sense. Bro, is that my brakes sounding like that? That shit sound crazy. Bro, it's so empty out today, bro. Damn, bro, this is like taking forever. My car is still stuttering, like why? Whenever I go to third or fourth to third, bro, my shit starts stuttering. Like, I don't know, my engine about to fucking explode. Like, no cap. See, it did it. Well, it did a little bit right there. It didn't do it like crazy, but bro, what's going on with my motor, man? Bro, I'm not gonna lie though, my engine sounds so quiet. Like, I gotta do something to this exhaust, like ASAP. I keep telling myself I'm gonna do something, but I ain't did shit yet. Track mode with the traction off feels so good, man. We gotta make it make that smacking noise real quick. I gotta put it in D. Damn, it didn't even do it. I think I gotta have it in sport. It barely do it in track mode. Oh, there we go. my engine's stuttering again. I'm not gonna lie, I gotta take this bitch to the engine doctor, bro. Why the fuck is you stuttering? Damn. Oh shit, this bitch going crazy though. Damn, of course it'll be a fucking red light though. That's all cool though. About to hit this tunnel. God damn. I'm surprised I did not lose traction going around that corner. Damn, this bitch be pulling. Oh my god, these speed bumps, bro. Bro, these speed bumps is insane, bro. Oh my god, bro. Then I got it in track suspension. Damn, I just almost lost the car right there. My engine, bro, why do you keep stuttering, man? I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it's from me not getting an oil change like when I was supposed to get it. It's gotta be, because I don't know why my engine would be like doing that. It's kind of concerning, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm gonna literally mention it every video until I get it fixed. It's like lagging or some shit, I don't even know. Engine, stop stuttering, please. I'm not gonna lie, that's like my biggest fear, doing that through an intersection, because I can't be looking both ways at the same time. Like, damn, might be ops around. Whenever I'm not filming with somebody, bro, my engine sounds so much louder, even though it's not loud at all. Like in yesterday's video, my engine was so like drowned, like y'all could barely hear that shit. I know y'all couldn't. Don't even lie. Don't even lie. Shit. supercharger. Don't act like you don't hear it. All right, I'm gonna give y'all one more pull. But no, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, it's time to, you know, wrap this video up though, man. This will conclude the 7 days straight of no traction in a crash Scatpack. You know, hopefully the next time we start doing, like, you know, long series like this, the car will be fixed, obviously, hopefully. But no, I'm not gonna lie, for those who watch every single video 7 days straight, man, shout out to y'all, no cap. I appreciate y'all. Man, we about to be hella consistent from now on, no cap. We need literally 2,000 more watch hours to be monetized. Like, we is literally almost there. We got the 1,000 subs. Now we literally just gotta get the watch hours. That's it, and we good. I swear to God, we gonna be green. But no, man. Shout out to y'all though. Follow me on Instagram though, at srt.show. Other than that, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later though.